Assalamu alaikum. My name was Abdullah. So I will be show how to create tutorial is micro edit. How to create micro edit. Here start your video is my 2 clips. Dislike it 2 clips. Okay. I split your clip. So pre-compose the first clip and second clip. Okay. Is be very fast now. So yeah, he's be done. So brothers, he is be going not going. I will be first of all add your CC link in the my description. So there are alien AECC number 2. Okay, I add your alien AECC number 2 and I delete and this we delete. This one is done. So guys, we click not click today, so it's time for click on the first layer on their edit now. So there I add Twixtor Pro. Search your Twixtor and Pro, this one. Twixtor Pro is here. So I will going on fast now. Videos are fast now. This one tutorial is micro edit. Okay, this is in my description. So there are settings. Follow my settings now. D and 100 speed or 100 and going this to 50. Okay, there are 50 and this one and going on their last, so they D to this is very good and their good edit is my follow my settings now is be good now, and this is my second clip. So there are Twixtor Pro again and settings are follow my settings now. No bro, is not good, is be good and motion weight and inverse W. So going away and this one 50 and last is easy one. I don't know if clips problem, so yeah, 100 is done. Yeah, it's my settings and slow is very slow and is very pretty now. So guys, it's time for going to pass enhance. Okay, first of all, how to export your video. Click on their file, export, add to render queue, choose your folder. This one is click on run. So guys, may add your video to their folders. His settings are this one, 85, recover details are 85 and sharpens are 50 point. Okay, sharper and 50 and 32 there reduce noise. This one a very protection 30 bro, 30 yeah, this one and 25, yeah, 25 and then was 50. Editorial noise, I don't know why noise was 0. Okay, so I will be not export your video, I will be preview now. So click on preview. So preview are coming soon. So like your my video, like your my subscribe you my channel. So this is a generating preview now. He's very slow. I don't know what problem. My version to pass version is 3.05. So download your version. So he's very 1 second 2 seconds your wait now. Yeah, this result is very pretty and this one is very good setting. So like the video, and subscribe the channel. Bye bye brothers.